So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about your CE requirements for your MFDA Mutual Funds license. MFDA is your Mutual Fund Dealers Association of Canada, and let's talk about the MFDA CE requirements. When you go to the MFDA site, you are going to find here on the left side continuing education. So you just click on that. And then in order to find, and this is a little hidden, so just a little note for you here, you're going to want to go to MFDA policy number 9. This is the CE requirements. So let's go through what the CE requirements are for MFDA. Now, I want to start off by pointing out this date, December 1st, 2021. Before this date, there were no CE requirements for MFDA mutual fund license holders. These CE requirements came into effect on this date, December 1st, 2021. This is a 2-year cycle. So the deadline for you to have the CE requirements done is November 30th, 2023. Your renewal is December 1st on every odd number year. So the next renewal is December 1st, 2023, and the next one after that would be December 1st, 2025. So here are the CE requirements. We're going to just go down here to General CE Requirements, and it's pretty simple. And it is that you are required over the course of these 2 years to complete 8 business conduct credits, 20 professional development credits, and 2 MFDA compliance credits every cycle. So let me be clear. When it comes to this 2 MFDA compliance credits, there is only one place, ladies and gentlemen, that you can earn these credits, and that is through the MFDA directly themselves. There are no third parties that you can earn these credits through. I have spoken with MFDA. They have confirmed that for me. Having said that, these conditions, these conditions, 8 business conduct credits and 20 professional development credits can be obtained through third-party companies such as ce-credits.ca. So let's go down through this document and see, pick out some of the other important points to highlight. First of all, proration of credits. These are for new participants, new people who have become licensed in the middle of a cycle, of a 2-year cycle. They still do require CE credits unless they have been licensed in the last 2 months. So this would be either October or November of the end of that odd number year. Then you wouldn't require anything. Other than that, you would have a number of CE credits you would be responsible for. Change of participation. So if in the course of the cycle you decide to drop it, drop your designation, you can, or your license, you still would require some CE credits at the end of the year. Now, leaves of absence, there's the rules there. And then the component content, this is very important. So what makes up business content? Okay, business content is these 3 things. Any presentations about ethics is business content. Anything about MFDA rules and policies or member policies and how to comply with those rules is business conduct. Anything about relevant legislation and its applications is also business conduct. Very important to know those. Other business conduct topics can be talking about conflicts of interest, personal financial dealings, regulatory requirements, disclosure of information, documentation standards, know your client, suitability of new products, know your products. You see how this is going. Anti-money laundering laws, security and privacy of information, and complaint handling. These are all presentations and topics that you can earn CE credits for that would now fit into the business conduct section. Remember, you needed 8 CE credits in that category. What counts as professional development? Products. Any presentations on financial planning or retirement planning, investment strategies and asset allocations, client management techniques, economics, accounting, and finance information, tax planning, estate planning, and any presentations on insurance. Now remember, you needed 20 CE credits in these categories. And then MFDA compliance. As mentioned, these must be obtained by completing continuing education activities specifically designed by the corporation of course being the MFDA. So how can we at CE Credits help you to earn the CE requirements for your MFDA mutual funds license? So this is our website, ce-now.ca, and this is where you would go to earn your CE credits. If you've never been to this site before, you just go to sign up where you create your profile, choose your password. Remember to click the Remember Me button so that when you come back any subsequent time and you go to sign in, your computer has saved your username and password for you. And then you just simply sign in. So this is what our website looks like the very first time you're going to come here. And because the subsequent times that you come here, most likely there's going to be some courses that you're working on. In that case, above this title here, it will say My Active Enrollments and then list off all the courses that you're working on. With the MFDA, there are 28 CE credits that you require. You can pick and choose, or you can do these in a number of ways. Because there's 28, I would recommend the Unlimited CE plan. This gives you full access to our platform for the calendar year, and it does expire on January 1st of the following year. Now, with this unlimited plan, what can you do? Well, we do have available an MFDA bundle. This is 28 CE credits, and it does give you your CE requirements, the 8 business management, as well as the 20 professional development credits. Of course, we cannot provide you with the 2 CE credits that are MFDA compliant because we are not the MFDA. But if you wanted to go just to the MFDA bundle, we've put it all together for you, and you don't have to worry about what credits you need. We've already put that in there. But when you sign up for the MFDA bundle, you are also being enrolled automatically into the Unlimited CE plan. So what does that have to do with anything? If, while you're working through this, you wanted to jump into one of our live webcasts, and maybe you have credits for another organization, another life license, another designation that you want to earn some more credits to, if you need more than 28, or even if you need to catch up on other credits you haven't earned yet for other cycles or periods, then you can always jump onto a live webcast. Because you've got the unlimited plan, there's no additional charge for you to jump into a live webcast. 15 CE credits, 2 days, including 2 compliance credits, and in this case, in your case, it would be a business conduct credit that you can count it for, and you can interact with the presenters through live chat window. In addition, if you wanted to fill in other requirements, 1 credit at a time, you can always go to our course directory in the case that you just scroll down, and then you'll find our individual presentations. We've got almost 300 presentations available on the site for you. Every single one has been accredited and therefore is accepted by MFDA. Now, MFDA does have some rules in place for people like me, CE providers, okay? And those rules are simple. First and foremost, they do have an agreement that they do accept credits from the Institute, from IAFE, the Institute for Advanced Financial Education. This is Advocacy's education arm. They do accept credits from FP Canada. However, what they do require every organization to do, even though they may have credits accredited by those organizations, is as a CE provider myself, I must be registered with MFDA, which I am, and we must register each of our courses with MFDA as well. So you're going to want to look for those courses that say MFDA on them, and you will find those very simply on the MFDA bundle and some of our other courses as you search through the site. So can we help you with your CE credits? Absolutely. So ladies and gentlemen, those are your CE requirements for your MFDA mutual funds license. My name is Alan Hoffman. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me with email. My email address is above. and I'd be happy to get back to you. And remember, we're here to help.